Hannah and I run art workshops here at Flying Fish Studio. I love experimenting with different mediums and creating a space where adults and children can be creative too. It's a space where you can bring friends and family and enjoy creating together. I offer birthday celebrations, work parties, Christmas do's, hen parties, or maybe you just want to come and have a good old chat together whilst crafting. I offer a wide variety of workshops teaching you the skills and techniques with high quality equipment and materials, and then give advice and ideas where you'd like them, but also leave you lots of room for your own creative ideas if that's what you prefer. So some example workshops, we have needle felting, metal embossing, wreaths, fused glass, polymer clay, the list goes on. You could spend anything from an hour to a full day here, and you can go away with something unique and lovely for your home. Enjoyment and providing a space to relax is at the heart of what we do. I can also go out to other venues to run the workshops, maybe a family home, community hall, or a wedding venue. Please get in touch if you'd like to come and meet me and have a look around the space.